Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name's Greg.
My name's Garrett.
And this is Puddle Walkers Outdoors. You gonna move? Tactic. I was trying to flip it up there. Garrett wasn't gonna let me have the bake. There we go, guys. First fish of the day is a smallmouth. I got him all dirty. Poor guy. And get some of these leaves off and grass off of him, and I'll show him to you folks. There we go, guys. It's not bad. He's I don't know, about 12 inches. I'd say so. All right, we'll see you later, buddy. Might find one here. This came right down on a snag here. Oh, I'm out of it. Bringing that net with us this time, guys. It's about the same size as the last one, a 12, 13 maybe. I think a little bit longer, he's just skinnier. They're down there. Good hook set on top of the mouth. Yeah, that's a nice, pretty looking fish. He looks good. He's just skinny. All right, buddy. We'll see you later. Could do some underwater releases here. This water's so clear. I think this worm's almost had it. I've caught so many fish with it. He hit like right here in the front, I think, Garrett. I don't know. He may have hit back there and he may have had it all that time and I just didn't realize it. Don't know. I do know though that's two fish. Really like these creeks after they freeze and then they open back up. You let all that flood water clear out and man, some of these creeks can be really good. Crap, that's gone. Stuck it right in that dang log. Then thought I got past it. I didn't. Yeah, that's probably gone. No, it came out. You gotta be kidding me. Not ripped my plastic off, but it came out. I need to change this thing anyway, and it is blowed up. It's in bad shape. It's still attached though, so I'm still using it. Let's bring this back this way and see what happens. Oh. We got him? Yeah, we do. Look at that. It's a good spot. Oh, come here, bro. There we go. It's a nice spot right there. Yeah, guys. That's a good looking spot. It's not bad. It's another 13. That's there, maybe 14 inches right there. That's a pretty good fish. Just ate it. Man, we are on them today. Sorry, Garrett. I'll take a picture with this guy. That's a good looking spot. All right, guys. Let's get him back on down in there. That water's so clear right here at the bank, but no underwaters. See you later, bro. All right, let's get back in there. See if we can't find another one. He pecked it lightly. I got these worms in there, Garrett, if you want one. I think I got one more left. They're in my bag, man.
All right.
They're working. Dude, that's 3 fish. We both ran that same line too, man.
I got pink pelican off. It's gonna work.
Nah. Check inside my...
Box. Or which one are they in?
I've only got one box in there. It should be in it. If it's not in that, then it's in a pack. Oh, there we go. Another one. Oh, that's an even better one. That's an even better one. Oh, dude. That's a good spot. That's a good spot. That's possibly the biggest spot I've ever caught, dude. Oh man, that's a good one. That is a good one. Look at the size of this spot right here, guys. That is a dandy right there. Oh man, look at the belly. That dude is loaded up. That is a creek spot and a half right there. I definitely got to get a picture of this guy. Dude, he's got a frog in his mouth.
Really?
Like a legit frog in his mouth. There's the frog's foot. Look at that. That's cool as shit. I'm not lying. That's a frog foot. That's too cool, guys. I know you can't see it, but here, take a picture of that if you can. That's why he's so big. That's why his belly's so big, because he's got a frog in there. Can you actually see that frog leg? There we go, guys. Dude ate a frog. See you later, buddy. And off he goes.
Yeah, you can see a little bit of his leg.
Yeah, that's awesome. I was like, man, why is this guy so fat?
Got a frog in his stomach.
A whole frog in him. Did you get that plastic out?
No, not yet. You had a big fish on.
Oh yeah, that's right. All right, now you can go for it. Man, that was a big spot, dude. Eating frogs in the wintertime. A nice smallmouth and 2 nice spots were hanging out up here.
Is it this? Or the...
There we go. Just bank flip this one here. He's one of the smaller guys. That's 3 spots, guys, in that one little hole. No frog in his mouth like the other guy. Just a little bitty guy. Just let him slide back on up in there. Yeah, just throw it up in there, guys. That's what I was doing. Yeah, and then I just been slowly reeling it back. And somewhere in there, they're sitting on a line. There's a school of them in there. Yeah, I think we should move down a little bit. We'll do this one more line right here. And then I say we'll move down to the next little hole right there in front of us and do the same thing we're doing here. There we go. Good one. Yeah. That's a big old rock bass, dude. Is that a Mondo Rocky? Yeah, it is. Come on. Bring yourself over here. I got ya. Yeah, I think he grabbed my line as well. Yeah, guys, I think it's pretty well official that the worm is legit. This must have been what I was missing. Let's see which way you're. That's a dandy right there, guys. That's an absolute dandy. Good fish, Garrett. I'm gonna try to run this up along this bank line right here. I haven't tried doing it yet. There we go. Oh, look at that. Good spot. Good spot, good spot, good spot. You gotta work him to me. There we go.
I'm tiring him out for a while. Didn't want to break the line.
That's a dandy, bro. Can I have my worm back now?
Yeah.
Let me get your picture. Gotta make sure we do it like this so people don't see the background, you know what I'm saying? That's a good one, Garrett.
Another on the trout tickler.
Right on. No, no frogs inside his belly?
No.
All right.
Nice one though.
Yeah, yeah. Move your rod for you here. Still your bait. Don't step on mine, please. All right, man. 2 good fish.
Yep.
It's been a 7-fish day. Yeah, I'd say that worm is probably it. All right, guys, so moving back down to this spot. Man, that second spot was a pretty good lick. I can't believe that that spot had a big old bullfrog in its mouth like that. That was such a big frog, man. The webbing on that foot was huge, so I knew the rest of that frog was big. We're gonna fish this hole here just a little bit more, and then I think we're gonna go drive down and find another stretch of this creek and really get in and start exploring. I think today would be a good day to catch a big fish. But we'll see. You know, I love it whenever these creeks freeze over, and then when they thaw out and the water stabilizes, you can have a really good time. All right, guys, stay tuned. There we go. Fish on. All about the color, guys. Another smallmouth here. Take it easy, buddy. All about the color and all about the bait. Haven't caught one in a while. Switch back over to that worm, and there we are. Another cookie cutter 13 for the day. All right, buddy. I'll see you later. Oh, there he goes. Losing this dang old thing. If I ain't careful. Got him. Another smallmouth. And just sit here and just pick them off all day long, guys. Right there. Oh, this poor guy here, he's been hooked in the eye before, or something's grabbed him. The eyeball's jacked up. He's got a scar across the top of his head. Nice on the other side. All right, he's got some crawl pinchers down in his throat, so he's eating. All right, see you later, buddy. There we go. Nice little largemouth. Nice little spot. Nice little spot. How about a nice smallmouth? You know what? We've got some clear water here, guys. We didn't do one underwater release this whole video. Let's try one with this guy. Let's get down here where we belong. About the water's edge. All right, everybody, that's a wrap on the episode. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. And the one thing, guys, I learned this week is that when these frozen creeks, guys, they start to thaw out and the rain comes in, it washes everything away. Right before that creek starts to get leveled out to where it's normal like it is today, you can have some really good success. The colors all week, guys, it was that green. The green was everything the whole time. Everything was caught on a green. I think maybe 1 or 2 fish was caught on an off color. So don't forget, guys, if you're not finding success, man, change colors. You could keep the same kind of plastic, but I mean, change the colors. Try to find out what color they like in that water clarity. All right, guys, see you on the next one.